What's up, guys? Today we're going to be cooking some jalapeno poppers. I got a little bit lazy and got them at the store, so if you don't know how to make jalapeno poppers, it's really one of the easiest things you'll ever do. Just buy some jalapenos, cut them in half, throw cream cheese and then bacon. So that's your basic deal there. Okay, and here we can see that it is 2:11 and the temperature outside is a nice warm, hot 48 degrees depending on who you ask. Kind of sitting here chilling and noticing that maybe this might be some bear fur, possibly. Definitely could be a dog since it's a pretty popular area for bears and stuff like that, but could be a bear. So it's now been 2 hours, it's 4:14. I'm going to take this back home and I want to show you how well this thermos is a thermos and holds its heat. So let's pack up and go home. Alright guys, it is now 9:02 and approximately 5 hours after I left that mountainside and and basically just keeping the stuff warm, but as a demonstration on how well this retains heat, 5 hours later, we're still at 114 degrees. So that's pretty incredible. The food's hot, tube's hotter, but yeah, it's basically just a thermos. That's it. And of course, dogs like bacon.